We are making lentils curry or Kamande curry, and if you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or any other video. Thumbs up. To get started, I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients. So here I have 2 tomatoes, green capsicum, coriander, onion, garlic and ginger paste, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. You can use any curry powder you have. I'm going to also be using oil, of course, salt for seasoning, and kamande or lentils. So I've already pre-boiled my kamande, and carrots. So that is generally what you're going to be using for this curry. So I'm going to be using my white pan. Woo! I love it. I'm going to be using medium-high flame for this recipe. So I'll add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm going to add my onions. So you're going to saute until soft. There's no need of browning the onions. You just want the onions to be a little bit translucent. Next, I'll be adding my garlic and ginger paste. So I'm using about 4 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger. So you're going to stir. Then I'm going to add carrots. I'm adding carrots at this point because they usually take a little bit longer to cook. And also I'll add a little bit of coriander. I love the aroma of the coriander. So good. So you'll cook this for around 1 minute. You don't want your garlic to burn. Next, I'm going to add my tomatoes. Then next, I'm going to be adding my spices. So I'm going to add my paprika and cumin, curry powder, 2 seasoning cubes. Then I'm going to stir. You let the tomatoes cook until soft. At this point, my dish is looking amazing and it's really flavorful. So next, I'm going to add my pre-boiled lentils. So what I did, I just defrosted or thaw the lentils or kamande. You see, when you boil your cereals and you put them in the freezer, they come very handy, and especially for working moms. When you're from work, you can thaw in the microwave and get straight to cooking. It is that easy. So this is how it's looking at this point. Once the lentils are well combined, I'm going to add coconut cream. I really love coconut cream. That is about a 1/4 cup of coconut cream. Then I'll mix with my lentils. Then I'm going to add my green capsicum, stir. Then I'll add a little bit of water, like half a cup of water to 1 cup water. Stir. And then I'll let this simmer on low for about 5 minutes. My lentils are ready. I'm going to garnish with coriander. Then I'm going to turn off my heat. You can serve with rice or chapati, and you're surely going to enjoy your meal. So I'm going to serve this in my bowl. So here I have a bowl of yumminess, and I'm really loving how it's looking. I can't wait to have mine with rice, and I'm really going to be enjoying. So thank you so much, and make yourself lentils curry.